Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to install MySQL. So many people asked me last time, sir, we don't know how to install the MySQL. We don't know how to set up the MySQL. So don't worry. Today I'm going to show you step by step. So please watch till the end. So first of all, go to the MySQL site. You can just click on MySQL and you can see here MySQL community download. You can click on that. So, so this page will open. So you can see last option MySQL installer for Windows. You can click on that. Just scroll down. Click on this 303.6 million. You can click on that download. So see here, no thanks, just start my download. You can click on that. Automatically it will start the download. So you can see here, download it will start. Please wait for a moment. It will download. My network is slow. So yeah, I will show you once it will download it. I will show you how to set up. So please keep patience. Yes, it is successfully downloaded. You can click on that. Just click on yes. Yes. So here are some options: server only, client only, full or customs. So I would suggest you can click on customs. Click on here. So you can go to the MySQL server. Yes, click on that. Click next. Click similar like workbench. Click next. Just you can click server, workbench and cell. Yes, click on next. Yes, this is the path you can see. Click on next. Yes, I want to. Yes, you can see here. These three are ready to install. So you can click on execute. It will take some time. Just wait for a moment. I think in your laptop it will not take too much time. So I think in my laptop there is less space, because of that it is taking time. So yeah, it's done. So you can click on next. Yes, next. Yes, don't click do anything. You can, this is config type. You can put as it is development computer. Next. So here is the authentication option. There is two options, but you can use the recommended strong password. So it is asking current root password. You can put anything. I am putting root 123. You can put my password also. You can check. Yes, it is valid. Then you can click on next. Yes, next. Yes, execute. So finish. So next, finish. So you can see here cell is open. Yes, it is open. So MySQL workbench is open. You can click on that. You can put your password whatever you have said. I am putting root 123. Enter. Show databases. Yes, there are three databases: information schema, MySQL, perform schema. Yeah, next lecture I will show you. I will start the our SQL journey. So till the end, you can check is it successfully installed or not. Yes. So guys, if you like my videos, then you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.